Welcome to this presentation on the basics of LaTeX for mathematics. LaTeX is an essential tool for mathematical communication. This presentation is part of the Mathematical Tools series. So, what exactly is LaTeX? LaTeX is a high-quality typesetting system. It is designed for producing scientific and mathematical documents with professional formatting. It is particularly powerful for typesetting complex mathematical notations, formulas, and equations that are difficult to create in standard word processors. Let's look at a basic example of LaTeX in math mode. Here is some LaTeX code. $x squared plus y squared equals z squared $. $/ fraction. A by b plus / square root c $. The rendered output will be x squared plus y squared equals z squared. And a fraction represented as a by b plus the square root of c. LaTeX has two primary math modes. The first one is inline math. The syntax is $. In this mode, math appears within the text line and is used for simple expressions and variables. The other mode is display math, which uses the syntax $. In this mode, math appears on its own line, centered, and is typically used for complex equations and formulas. Let's explore superscripts and subscripts in LaTeX. To write superscripts, we use the caret symbol. For example, x2 will render as x squared. When the superscript has more than one character, enclose them inside curly braces. For example, x open curly brace 10 close curly brace will render as x to the power of 10. E open curly brace I / pi close curly brace renders as e to the power of I pi. For subscripts, use the underscore symbol. x_1 renders as x subscript 1. A underscore open curly brace, ij close curly brace renders as a subscript ij. Capital H_2 capital O renders as H2O. Let's see how to create fractions in LaTeX. For simple fractions, use the command \frac, open curly brace numerator close curly brace, open curly brace denominator close curly brace. For example, \frac open curly brace a close curly brace open curly brace b close curly brace. This will render as a by b. Likewise, \frac open curly brace x plus 1 close curly brace open curly brace y minus 1 close curly brace will render as x plus 1 by y minus 1. LaTeX can handle nested fractions. The code \frac open curly brace 1 plus \frac open curly brace 1 close curly brace open curly brace x close curly brace open curly brace 2 close curly brace will render as 1 plus 1 by x whole by 2. In LaTeX, you can create square roots and nth roots. To create a square root, use the command \sqrt, open curly brace expression close curly brace. For example, \sqrt open curly brace x close curly brace will render the square root of x. The code \sqrt open curly brace x squared plus y squared close curly brace will render the square root of x squared plus y squared. To create nth roots, the syntax is \sqrt open square bracket n close square bracket open curly brace expression close curly brace. So \sqrt open square bracket 3 close square bracket open curly brace x close curly brace will render the cube root of x. Similarly, the code \sqrt open square bracket n close square bracket open curly brace a to the power n plus b to the power n close curly brace renders the nth root of a to the power of n plus b to the power of n. Here are some common mathematical symbols and their LaTeX commands. To produce the infinity symbol, use \infinity. To produce the plus-minus symbol, use \+-. To generate the approximately equal to symbol, use \approximate. To produce the not equal to symbol, use \not equal. To generate the less than or equal to and greater than or equal to symbols, use \less than or equal to and \greater than or equal to, respectively. To generate the multiplication symbol, use \times. LaTeX also provides commands for common mathematical functions. For trigonometric functions, use \sine open parenthesis x close parenthesis, \cosine open parenthesis x close parenthesis, and \tan open parenthesis x close parenthesis to render sine x, cosine x, and tan x, respectively. For logarithmic functions, use \log open parenthesis x close parenthesis, \ln open parenthesis x close parenthesis, and \log_2 open parenthesis x close parenthesis to render log x, natural log x, and log base 2 of x, respectively. LaTeX enables professional mathematical typesetting with precise control over complex equations and symbols. For example, the integral from -infinity to infinity of e to the power of -x squared dx equals the square root of pi. This equation demonstrates the power and precision that LaTeX brings to mathematical documentation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.